Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jay. So for today's video, I am going to show you how I redid my hair. I did my roots. As you can notice, there's no more black.
One eternity later.
So here we are on part 2 of me dyeing my hair. I should have done this method on the first time. It's much easier. I didn't let the bleach touch my scalp at all, and I find it a little bit more faster and effective. So I strip off all those toner and the semi-permanent hair dye that I put on the last part of the video. So here I'm just kind of trying to distribute the bleach with my hand. So this is the first step of me bleaching, so that all the permanent or the hair dye will strip off, and then I will settle on that. I won't do any toning or anything. I'm just gonna rinse my hair, and then I will put it on a braid for a few days, just to let my hair breathe for a little while before doing the bleaching again. I also want to mention, because I thought I have mentioned I used 20 developer with the bleach. I lied. I actually used a 30 volume developer with the bleach, and then I used the 20 volume developer with the toner and the hair dye. So here I'm just trying to kind of like help my hair heal from all of the bleaching. So I used the moisturizer, like a thick hair moisturizer. I'm gonna link it down below if I find it. But this is what my hair looks like after bleaching the first time and after taking out all the braids. And now I'm going to do the second portion of the bleaching. So I used coconut oil to just protect my skin from burning again. And I also applied a little bit of coconut oil onto my hair just to protect it from more bleaching. I recommend doing that. It don't affect the bleaching process, so I highly recommend protecting your hair with coconut oil before bleaching if you want to do it.
So that is all for this video. I hope you guys get a little bit of tips and find this video a little bit helpful. So I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you will continue watching my video. There is more coming soon, and I'm looking forward to see you guys on my next video. Thank you. Bye.